Hello everyone, this is Papa Blue Shirt, and I'm going on another adventure today. You see, I got my bike in the back there. I got my daughter in the back there. She's got her dog in the back there. And I got my wife over here. And we don't have no bikes for them today, but I'm gonna go out and try out some trails by the land before lakes, and we're gonna look for a trailer that we're gonna use for hauling our bikes around when we get them. So it's gonna be a little adventure today. And don't cough while I'm doing my video.
Sorry, I couldn't help it.
All right, so we're gonna go out and do a little adventure today. And so here we go. Embark on my adventure here with my Ecotric e-bike. Tunnel that goes underneath the road here. So we don't have to deal with traffic up above.
How was it?
Good. I don't know how far it was because I holding onto my phone. I turned this thing off. Yeah, the first part of the trip went by pretty fast. I think it was only about 4 or 5 miles. My finger hit the trip odometer while I was recording, so I couldn't say, but I'll know when I go back. But yeah, that's a nice little run. Nice little run. Yeah, let's do this back. Thank you. Okay.
A lot of short curves.
Well, I made it. Looks like it was about 8 or 10 miles to the woods. Not what I signed up for. It was a pretty nice trail. Other than being scared that guy was going to run me over. But wife said to go up and look and see where Golden Pond is, and so kind of a miscommunication there. I went up there and I saw it was the bike trail, so I headed up there and had to turn around and come back to the overlook, and that was kind of neat. But you know, they hardly had anything marked. So when you're out on the trail, you don't really know where you're at. You don't know how far it is to the next opening. You don't know where the next opening was. You know, they should have all that at the beginning. They should have, you know, this is the beginning of Golden whatever, and it ends at such and such, you know. And I suppose if I had a map, that would have worked out all right. But I didn't have a map, and we just hopped on that trail and just went. So I guess that's partly my fault, but you'd think they would mark it better. And I was a little surprised on that main trail that they don't keep the lawn and stuff down a lot more than what they did. I just saw it was some areas like just barely enough room for me to go through. You know, it was a big 8-foot wide thing, and it's grown over. But that comes with the territory, I guess. But anyways, I ended up going about 15 miles today, and trying out my new bike, and the bike held up very well. Didn't have no problems. I cruised on that part that is all blacktop, that is paved that whole way. That, you know, that first part of the trail would work very good for kids and things like that, because it's all guarded. You know, there's a fence in between, you know, all the traffic and stuff. So that would work really good for that. On the hardwood trail, I don't know, the down and through the woods like I did. If your kids were older, they could probably do it without a problem. But if they're very young or they're very old, that might be a little rough. And yeah, so I'm gonna look at the map and see where I was and see, you know, where I made my mistake. I think when I asked those girls how far it was on out, I think if I would have went out there, I might have been closer, because it looked like there was a trail that went up there, but I didn't know where it went. So anyways, we made it. We're here, and got to the end, and had a good time. And this old body's holding up halfway decent. Getting used to riding bike. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Thanks for coming along for the ride.